Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here on Twitter. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade on Coinbase while avoiding the massive Coinbase fees. So, Coinbase is where most people will deposit their initial funds in order to buy other coins or to just get invested in general. So, let me show you how to do that. So, first things first, you're going to want to go onto Coinbase. You're going to want to deposit your funds through USD. So, let's go to coinbase.com and I'll show you that right now. So if you guys don't have a Coinbase account, use the link down below and you'll get $10 with your first purchase of Bitcoin if you spend $100 or more. It's a great way to get even more cryptocurrency when you spend money on Coinbase. So as you guys can see on here, I have my balance, $1,625, and I deposited this through USD. Let's show you how to do that. So you would go over here, you can see USD. Actually, no, you wouldn't go to view asset, I'm sorry. You go to portfolio, you would click USD, and then you could deposit through your bank account. And it gives you an option to transfer with your bank account. And I'm going to deposit $200 just to show you guys. And then you wait 6 days. It says it's available to buy instantly. That is true. But if you wait 6 days, you can transfer it to Coinbase Pro and you pay phenomenally low fees for this purchase. All right, so now I have that money in my USD wallet, as you can see over here. Now I just wait 6 days. So I've had currency USD in my wallet for about 6 days now. So we can go to Coinbase Pro and we can use that to purchase cryptocurrency. So let's do that now. All right, so now that we're at Coinbase Pro, I'm going to show you guys how to deposit your money into Coinbase Pro. So you're going to want to go over to portfolios up here. You guys want to make sure you set up your Coinbase Pro, of course. It's really simple to set up Coinbase Pro. And then you're going to want to deposit. You would click over here where it says deposit. You're going to select the currency. You're going to select US dollars. And now, once you've waited 6 days, whatever money that you deposited 6 days ago is available. So for me, I'm able to deposit $800 right now because I deposited that about 6 days ago. And now it will appear in my wallet and I go to trade. And now I can buy Ethereum with that. So now I would set it for a limit buy. Let me figure out the price I'd like to buy it at. And I'm going to set it to buy at $126. And look at the fee I pay, guys, about $3.98. If I was going to go through Coinbase, I'd probably spend like at least $10, $20, $30 in order to buy the same amount. Now, since I have waited 6 days, you see the price has dropped since then as well. This is going back days ago. I mean, over a week ago. That's the 4th, it's the 6th. Price has just been dropping since then. So there was no rush for me to get into that market either. So I've saved money on the price of Ethereum and I've saved money on the fees. So I'm just going to set this buy order. And now I have my buy order ready to go without any large fees. So that's fantastic. I hope you guys can apply this to your investing as well. It's really simple. Also, make sure to use our referral code for buying on Coinbase if you haven't used Coinbase before. That way, you get even more out of your purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys would like more analysis and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Also, join my group chat. The link is down below in the description. And you can also sign up on my website for fantastic content that we also provide. Take care.